Right, hi guys, welcome back to the video where today we're doing Ratchet and Clank Nexus part 4, I think, or 3, or 5. I don't actually remember, so when I remember I can't remember doing very much. So let's just get into it, and let's just get into it. Whoa.
Well, it'd be nice to go just one day without someone putting a price on my head.
I really want 10,000 bolts. Wait, what? I don't know where to go. Do I go up there? Oh, I go over here. Idiotic. Wait, who said that? Oh, it's him. Is he dead? Nope. He's not done.
This is really going to hurt.
Oh god, it's one of those things. Oh my god. The hell's that? Right, okay. Bomb time. Right. Right, I'm guessing I go up there. Okay. Cool. Oh my god, there's more of you. Oh my god. Where's that guy gone? Oh, there he is. No, I'm not having that. You're gonna die. And that'll be the end of you. Right, where do I put this guy? Where's he go? Where does he go? Oh wait, does he go over there? That's correct, isn't it? No, 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 no. No. This isn't right, is it? Oh! A golden bolt. Yeah. Where's that guy gone? Right, where... There it is. Okay, it's done.
One more pump to go.
There's another one? Oh my god, okay. Can I go up, please? Thank you. I don't know where the last one is. Oh, it's there. I see it. I see it. Buzzblades. That's not right. Bombs then. Right, get on that thing now. Get on that one. True power. True power. No. No.
There's three.
Power up.
Opening
Power.
primary maintenance gate.
Travel to the station. You got it, pal. You got it. Whee! Oh god. Oh my god.
We'll have to restore power to the store. Keep your eyes peeled for empty spots.
Goodness sake.
Those power cables lead deeper into the tunnel.
All right, let's follow them.
Okay.
Blech, that smells.
Don't worry about it. You're a hero of the galaxy. You should know that stuff smells bad. How the hell do I get through here? Oh, wait. Oh wait. I'll get all three here. Is there a power thingy back there? Nope. Gotta conserve the energy of my backpack. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Come on.
I can't smell anything. That's because you smell. Look at that! He's got a little robot!
Don't know why the hell that is like that. Come on. You can just die quicker. Just die already.
There's the power socket.
You have no...
Where's the battery bot?
Where's the battery bot? Shut your mouth. Battery bot? You in here, buddy? Where you at? I don't know where you are. Right, what is that? I know I'm low. I know it's low. Please work. Just for a bit longer. I've run out. I'm done. I don't know where it is. They're both dying. You don't seem to be doing so.
There's the power socket. But where's the battery bot?
I don't know. If I knew, I'd tell you. I don't know where it is. What the hell's that? It's down there. Don't get scared, because I've got to grab you. It never said it was down there. Not good.
Ratchet. Yep, I see. Hang on. We're getting out of here.
Oh, for goodness sake. Oh my... No. What the hell? Why is that one running so fast? Nope. Oh my god, the water level. Water. The water. Ratchet. The water. Where's the water? Oh my god. That water's getting really close. And I'm getting really low. I'm not gonna make it. Yes, I am. I'll get there. Oh my god! Oh god, that water's... It's gonna be close, The water.
Turn the boat crank to lower the water.
Turn the bolt crank. Absolutely. Okay. Winterizer... Whatever that is. Do I have enough money for that? Because I want it.
That was a close one, huh?
Hey. Here we go.
Oh, good. You found me.
Oh,
Well,
good.
now that you know where I am, come and get me.
I really don't want to at this point. I want to go home. For goodness. No. No. The hell is... Oh my... I'm out of... whatever you call that. Yep, just stand by a second. Just gotta load up. And get nice and close to you if that's alright with you. Nice. I like that you're reusing voice lines from earlier in the game. Shooting at me, look. I don't know what I'm doing. Shush. Grenades. They'll work, I think. I think it's the other way round. Okay, refill on that. Get some of them. Okay. Like that, I'm not prepared. Okay.
That's the sound of failure.
If anything is the sound of failure, it's the fact that you can't aim. Oh my god. Okay, that gets him pretty low. And then get some of that. That sounds amazing. You're close to... you're dead. Right, where's what's her name? Right, that's great. We've only got a couple bombs, but that's okay. I haven't even named it. He's not dead yet. They're not dead. They're not dying quick enough. There, that sounds great. Oh, there's more. How lovely. When will they die? Okay, one of them's dead. Okay, two of them are dead. Wait, I have a weapon to help with this. What was the goal? What was the goal? Where is that lady? Oh, I need to open it. Stupid. Yes. Open it. Open it?
There we go. This ought to take us right to it.
I hope so. I really hope so.
You are now entering a no-fly zone.
Oh my god, it just killed everything. Wait.
Dimensional rift detected. Perhaps I can be of assistance.
You... Oh, it's there. I see it. I hate rifts. They suck. I don't know what that is. Okay. God, okay. Is this the way out? Have I gone too far? I've gone too far. No, I haven't gone too far. I'm doing okay. Oh god. Oh god. Now I just go down. Oh, it's okay. I'm doing okay. Okay, that's where that guy is. It's another box related problem, isn't it? Right, the box needs to come up. Wait, no, it needs to move. Oh wait, hold on. That gets rid of that thing, so that thing can come up, then come to the side, then come down, then come... no? Oh wait, here we go. I need to get it there somehow. Okay. Okay, but that thing can't move. Oh my god, I don't know how to do this. Wait. And then, that can go across. Yes, I did it. I'm smart. I have brain power, actually. I have to go all the way back through this and not die. I died. The hell? Oh my god. Oh my god. I haven't got that much health left. I don't know where to go, I don't know where to go, I don't know where to go, I don't know where to go. 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 Oh, it's there. Okay, oh my god, I did it. I never want to do anything like that again. I keep doing it, and I don't want to do it anymore. Elevator? No, this is going to be such a bad boss fight. There's a train coming. I'm going to do a boss fight with trains, aren't I? Oh, I don't want to do this.
Static electricity in the air as a result of constant transdimensional experimentation.
I despise you.
Without a true dimensionator, you can't just punch a hole in the walls of reality. The trick is to wear them thin.
Look what you've done to the sector. How many lives are you gonna let Vendra ruin just to open a few portals?
She's strong-headed, I'll give you that. Hard to blame her, though. Can you imagine seeing your kind right there, close enough to touch?
Why has he got little wings?
Yes. Yes, I can. But wanting something too badly can change you into something you're not.
It doesn't matter. I'm her guardian, and since you want to hurt her, I suppose I'm just going to have to kill you.
I want to die. And I don't want to fight him either. He's such an idiot. He's gonna bring him close. What's he doing? What is he doing actually?
This sector belongs to us now.
You're gonna pay for what you did to my friends.
They were in our way.
Who is this guy again? Wait, no, I can't use that thing. Oh my god, I hate it.
Don't want to use that dimensionator. That creature can't be trusted. What if it hurts Vendra?
I won't let that happen.
I'm out of thingy for this. It's not doing anything. I don't care that I've leveled up. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. He's gonna kill me. He is gonna kill me. And I'm not gonna be able to kill him first. Nope, he's doing the weird electric thing. Okay, he's done. Nope. Come on. Shoot him again. I'm dead. Hopefully I can start from a not silly point. I'm not doing them all again. I have to start from here. I have to start from here. The beginning. And I have to watch the cutscene again. Oh wait, no I don't. You can stop saying that. I know that it does. You knew that I was going to move that way, didn't you? Idiot. No. I don't know what you think I'm doing. Wait, what's he doing? What's he doing?
What am I paying you for? Attack!
There's a train coming.
Your paychecks! It's time to go to work, boy!
No. Right, no. Hopefully I can start from an alright point. Oh my god, they're just going to keep sending them, are they? No, I'm going to die here. Wait, get him in the way of a train! Train! Oh, I still have bullets for this apparently. Oh, just shoot him. There we go. No, I'm dead. If I have to do that whole thing again, I really hope I don't. If I have to do the whole thing again, if I have to do it all again, I have to do it all again. No, I don't want Russian sharks coming after me. No. Right, bombs. Switch to bomb. Nope. All bombs. Bomb them all. Bomb them. Right, bombs again. More bombs. I'm out of bombs. Right, just give me more of that. I don't want that. Okay, they're done. Give me that. Wait, more of them again. You're back? So soon? Hell. I can't focus on two people at once. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna have to do this all again. Cheating? Right, I'm gonna find out what that says at some point. Or it might not. Okay, when's that guy gonna come back? There's another round. Another one. Okay, he's back. Why is he sending? I haven't lost any health yet. I've just realised that. No.
She's putting people in danger.
All she wants is a family.
I know that's all she wants, and I get it, but please leave me alone. Oh, come on. Okay, right, he's dead.
I'm going to enjoy breaking
No! Come on. We're so close to getting this. We're so close to getting him. Shoot it. Oh my god, I'm running out of options. It doesn't matter if I kill those guys or not. He needs to die first. Don't! He's gonna die first. If I get him. He's done. Wait, what happened to him? Do I have to kill them first? I don't have to kill them. Oh my god, I did it. I owned the trophy, but I didn't see it. Oh, there it is. No. Run away.
Sure. Now you draw your blasters.
20 years we've waited to be reunited with the Nethers. I expected this from the Polaris Defense Force, not from you. You should understand.
If you let that monster cross over, everyone in the galaxy will be in jeopardy.
I suppose you're right. But let's do it anyway.
Okay. Please don't.
Dimensionator! Find the Nethers!
No. Oh, there's more. There's more. Of course there's more. Don't. That thing is disgusting. If I have to fight that thing.
What are you? Stop it! I command you!
I don't know what it's saying.
But you're supposed to be my friend!
Time to go.
You should run now.
Objective return to my... Nope, they're teleporting. I don't even know. I don't even know. How are we gonna kill this thing? I'm not looking forward to it, not looking forward to it. There's no stuff left. No. No. I'm stuck down here, aren't I? Oh wait, hold on, it's regenerating. I know it's low, I know it's low. For the love of God, I know it's low. Right, refill. Or not, that's fine.
You are now entering a no-fly zone.
No, I'm not. Just run away. No, that's pure... Oh, what the hell are you? These things are pure evil. These things are pure evil. These things are pure evil. I just need to exit my ship. Is my ship this way? It's not, is it? Is it? No.
When the twins came into our reality,
Shush.
they were young enough that their bodies could adapt. These Nethers need protective gear to survive. Without it, they're in grave danger.
Ratchet,
Where?
they have us cornered.
Right, so where am I off to? Where do I go? Where do I go? What do I do? I don't want to know what that thing is. What do I do now? I'm gonna die at the end. We just killed him! Who's that? Oh my god!
Go! That teleporter will get you back to your ship.
Why are you doing this?
Because you're our best chance to save my sister. And she's your best chance to stop the Nethers. Go to Planet Ground. I'll meet you there.
Oh my god, go. we'll find out what's going to happen in the next episode, because I'm leaving it here. I don't know what to say other than, well, that was weird. Hope that never happens again. What I'm going to try and do is, it's probably not going to be a very good idea because this is going to be a lot of money, but I'm going to try and buy all the games. I'm going to try and buy all the games in the series, and I'm going to, see what happens. It should cost about £60 with everything. And I might get the HD trilogy as well. I might also be able to get the E3 demo for the original version. And maybe an early version of one of the old games, but I don't know about that. But yeah, if that happens, I'll make a video on it. If it doesn't, I'll also make a video on it. If you guys enjoyed this episode, then like, subscribe, and whatever, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. So, goodbye guys, goodbye.